Hello guys, we are from Group 2. We are explaining about Japanese Indonesia difference in Toyota global business. We will discuss about the first introduction Toyota company, the second Japanese Indonesian difference in Toyota's global business, the third political system in different countries, the fourth economic system in different countries, and the last legality system in different countries. Introduction Toyota. Headquartered in Tokyo, Japan, this company was founded on August 28, 1937, 82 years ago. Its founder was Kiichiro Toyoda, the eldest son of Sakichi Toyoda, the founder of the Toyota industry who originally made sewing machines in the early 1900s. For the Japanese, the name Sakichi Toyoda deserves to be equated with Thomas Alva Edison. Not only did it enlighten the Japanese industry, but it also facilitated the work of the weavers with automated machinery that increased the capacity and efficiency of textile production at the time. The first car produced in Indonesia was not a Japanese car but an American car. The first automaker to produce cars in Indonesia was General Motors or GM, which opened a factory in Tanjung Priok in 1920. According to Indonesian automotive journalist James Luluhima, in Automotive History and the Story of the Present Presence of Automobiles in this country. At the time, the factory was still limited in assembling a number of parts to form a complete car. In 1938, the factory expanded and became a major supplier to American cars before being brought to major cities such as Surabaya, Yogyakarta. World Wars I and II had the impact of the shutdown of the factory in North Jakarta. The unstable situation when Indonesia began to gain independence also led to factories being closed. In addition, the Dutch desire to regain control of Indonesia made the situation even more complicated. Toyota is one of the largest automobiles manufacturers. Toyota branches worldwide 49 countries, including those with the most homes: Indonesia, Singapore, Australia, Uni Emirat Arab. Brand name issued by Toyota: Toyota Land Cruiser, Toyota New Kijang Innova, Toyota New Fortuner, Toyota All New Corolla Cross, Toyota New Alphard. What is the global business? Global business is business activity that transcends and crosses the border of the country and is connected to the world at the cultural, political, and economic levels by removing barriers to communication and trade. International business has turned the world economy into a single system that is interdependent. Benefits of international business activity. There are several advantages to international business, among others, acquisition of goods and services that cannot be produced domestically, benefit from specialization, expansion of domestic industrial market, transfer of modern technology, and increased productivity. Japanese Indonesian difference in Toyota's global business. Japanese manufacturing products from Japan have a good reputation for high quality, durability, and craftsmanship. Besides, the Japanese factory has extensive global relations, especially in Asia, excellent Japanese infrastructure, and international trade relations throughout Asia and its surroundings. Indonesia, establishing the Toyota Indonesian Academy, Educational Institute, and recruiting vocational high school graduates who want to deepen their expertise in the automotive field. The establishment of the institute is part of the Toyota principle to build skilled humans before making cars. It is men who make cars. There is no way to make cars without building and developing humans. Natural resource development is the foundation for winning global competition. Although today's car assembly relies more on robots than humans. Political system in different countries. Development research and development is the basis of the industrial development of a country. The geographers, not the location of R&D, selected based on availability of factories supported by human capital, the advancement of transportation systems, and the relocation of populations. Japan is a pioneer of research and development in other countries. Economic system in different countries. ASEAN it is one of the most influential organizations in the world, especially in Southeast Asia as a political interest. ASEAN was formed as a mechanism of detention or deterrence of the West against Soviet or communist influence and as an instrument of balance of power in managing interregional security conflicts and managing the influence of major external forces against countries in Southeast Asia. Toyota became one of the companies capable of influencing the ASEAN economic movement. The network built by Toyota is becoming stronger with the growth of their subsidiaries like Daihatsu. As a leading manufacturing network, Toyota's an organizational or special structure consisting of corporate traders, first-level suppliers, mostly based in Japan, and have affiliates in host countries. Local partners, mostly joint ventures with local companies and subsidiaries and or affiliates of host countries. His strength of affiliation strengthens the corporate economy and is able to expand the network. Indonesia doesn't have a strong enough voice in ASEAN. Its role is rather impressed, helping Toyota to strengthen its existence, conclude Dr. Riza. Legality system in different countries. A free trade agreement within the framework of bilateral economic cooperation agreement is the first that Indonesia has made with its partner country, the IJPA, Indonesia-Japan Economic Partnership Agreement. The role of government and chance is said to have an important role in treating the ENCA. The role is meant not as a player in industry, but through its authority to provide facilities, both and challenge to the industry. The government encourage industry to a certain level of competitiveness. Customs tariff reduction through this framework agreement. The government has agreed to types of tariff reduction schemes in the framework of the IJPA, among other things. 1. The General Preferential Tariff Scheme. The scheme had agreed about 35% of Indonesian. Import tariff will be reduced to 0%, whereas Japan has reduced to about 80% of its tariff position. The user-specific duty-free scheme, which is the scheme of setting a 0% tariff on imports of raw material from Japan used in the production process of certain industry agreed, including those moving in the field of vessel and motor components. B. Factory development in Indonesia with the presence of Indonesian-Japanese cooperation through IJPA in the automobile field. Toyota, as one of the largest Japanese automobile manufacturers, continues to step to strengthen the Indonesian automobile industry. Toyota Motor Corporation of Japan is merging with 3 other companies. We are from Group 2. In our group, there is myself, Novinal Nigawa as a voiceover, Dian Nurianti as PowerPoint editing and making the script, and 2 more members named Sri Wulandari and Suci Astika Devi who helped to make a script. I think that's all our presentation. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.